Simplify the complex fraction 1 over x plus 1 over x plus 2 all over 1 over x. I'm going to rewrite this over here just so that I have a little bit more space to work with it. Now we know that we're going to have to multiply the top and the bottom by the least common denominator of all of the smaller fractions. If we look at these denominators, all we have are x here and here, and x plus 2 there. Since these are two different factors, that means that the LCD is just going to be their product, x times x plus 2. So what we need to do is multiply the top and bottom by x times x plus 2. All right, in the top, we're going to have to distribute this to each of the two fractions inside. When we multiply into the first fraction, we can see that the x in the denominator cancels with the x that we're multiplying by, and then we'll just have 1 times x plus 2, which is x plus 2. Then we have plus in between these, and then we distribute to the second fraction. Here, the x plus 2's cancel, and we're left with 1 times x, which is just x. Now, in the denominator, when we multiply, we see that the x's cancel, and we end up with 1 times x plus 2, which is x plus 2. Now, in the numerator, we can combine like terms. X plus x is 2x. So we've got 2x plus 2 over x plus 2. And we want to do one more thing. We want to factor the numerator to make sure that there's nothing that can be canceled. If we factor out a 2 in the numerator, that leaves us with leftovers of x plus 1. So we have 2 times x plus 1 all over x plus 2. And because there are no common factors in the top and bottom that can be canceled, this is our final answer. It is the simplified form because it no longer has fractions inside of the main fraction. We have combined like terms, and as an extra added touch, we've factored the numerator. Honestly, this would also work as a perfectly good final answer, except we do need to make sure that there's nothing that cancels, and that's why we factored here.